Let's talk about Warren Hastings from 1773 to 1785 and some important developments happened during his tenure. He became Governor of Bengal in 1772 and then first Governor General of Bengal through the Regulating Act of 1773. Supreme Court at Fort William was established in 1774 during his tenure. During his tenure, Act of 1781 came, under which the powers of jurisdiction between the Governor General in Council and the Supreme Court at Calcutta were clearly divided. Pitt's India Act of 1784 came at this time. Due to strained relationship with Chait Singh, the Maharaja of Banaras, it led to Warren Hastings' impeachment in England. He founded the Asiatic Society of Bengal in 1784 with William Jones. Now let's talk about some reformative actions by Warren Hastings. He abolished the dual government established by Robert Clive. He established Diwani and Faujdari Adalats at district level and Sadar Diwani and Nijamat Adalats at Calcutta. He divided Bengal into districts and appointed collectors and other revenue officials. Now let's talk about some repressive actions by Warren Hastings. These are the Rohilla War of 1774, the First Maratha War in 1775 to 1782, Treaty of Salbai in 1782, and Second Mysore War in 1780 to 1784. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe in the case you liked it.